folks, I have a really cool mini 5-string banjo to show you today. This is for a customer who is a bicyclist, and they're leading bicycle tours in Europe this summer. So they wanted one of my mini 5-strings, but we thought we'd go for the lightest weight version we could get, which for me, that's what I call a Scout banjo or a Scout banjo uke. In that I'm using my little steam bent rims instead of my block rims. They're thinner, and they can be this thin and strong because of their bent shape instead of the blocks I usually use. It's got less hardware. It's got a thinner, lighter finish. It's as lightweight and small as we can get and still sound good. And, you know, because it's a Scout model instrument, I get to pick the wood and just make what's on hand. So, in this case, I started with the white oak banjo rim that we bent with the oak from our friend Larry's place. Put a little maple cap on it, and then for the neck, it's maple with a piece of oak from a wine barrel down the middle of the neck. And then it's all oak on the front here again. Some wine barrel, and then more from Larry's oak tree. And then an oak and maple bridge. So it's cool. I really like the two light wood aesthetic. I use just the beeswax and linseed oil for the finish, and it's like super thin and light and feels really natural, and it's infinitely repairable long term. You know, non-toxic. It's really a fun feel, and as you play the instrument, it just gets burnished with a cool feeling. Yeah, and there's something to be said for, you know, a lighter weight banjo. It just has a vibrancy and a cool kind of old time sound to it that like a heavy bluegrass banjo doesn't have. This customer wanted the non-steel strings, and we're tuned down to the lower pitch, open G, or in this case G sawmill. And it's fun because the lighter weight, like everything just hums and thrums and vibrates in my lap when I play. It's a really cool. Yeah, and so it's gonna get in a gig bag real soon here and head off to Europe. I think it was a cool project. So yeah, maybe we'll do a few more of these this year. We're gonna get some more oak from Larry's and bend it. When you do the steam bending, it helps to have green wood, you know, fresh out of the tree instead of the kiln dried wood I usually make my rims from. So you kind of do it seasonally as the wood comes to you. So there is a log waiting for us at Larry's, and hopefully we'll get it split and bent and make some more of these rims. So that is number 815. Cheers.